Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best TV cloth is probably one of the most important accessories for maintaining the pristine condition of your precious television screen, ensuring vibrant colors and crystal clear picture quality for years to come. In this video, we will explore the features and benefits of various microfiber cloths, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your TV looking its absolute best. Number 5. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cloths. Experience the superior cleaning power of our microfiber cloths. They're ultra soft and perfect for all your delicate surfaces. These cloths are incredibly gentle, yet highly effective at removing dirt and grime. Say goodbye to scratches. Made from a blend of polyester and nylon, they absorb water instantly, leaving no lint or streaks behind. Your surfaces will sparkle. From windows and kitchenware to cars and more, these cloths tackle any cleaning job with ease. They're even great for dusting. With reinforced edges and durable stitching, they can withstand hundreds of washes. Enjoy long-lasting cleaning performance. Each cloth is a sizable 12.6 by 12.6 inches, and you get a pack of 12, enough for all your cleaning needs. What we like? It's a great value with 12 large cloths. If you need many cloths for various cleaning tasks around your home, this is perfect for you. These are durable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. What people say. The quality of these microfiber cloths is impressive. They hold up well after multiple washes, retaining their softness and absorbency without fraying or losing effectiveness. They're thick, not plush like an expensive washcloth, but not skimpy and limp like some I've tried. They're a good size, about 12 to 1/2 square. But the big test for me was if they could absorb liquid while dry. They did. It was like a revelation. Not only did the cloth immediately soak up the water completely, it also left no streaks. None. Number 4. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloths. It's meticulously crafted from ultra-dense Japanese microfiber. This effortlessly absorbs dirt and oils, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Unlike other microfiber cloths, it's engineered for superior performance. The ultra-fine, lint-free fibers ensure a perfect clean. It's safe for all your delicate lenses and screens. From sunglasses to camera lenses and even VR headsets, it provides unparalleled cleaning power. This cloth is washable and reusable dozens of times. It's a sustainable and cost-effective solution for keeping your lenses clean. Koala is trusted by millions for precision lens care. It's a commitment to quality and long-lasting performance. What we like? These cloths use premium Japanese microfiber. If you're looking for the best cleaning performance for delicate optics, such as glasses or camera lenses, this is the superior choice. It's designed for precision cleaning and will leave your lenses spotless. What people say. I keep one of these cloths all over, to clean my glasses, the best cloth I've ever had for that purpose, as well as my phone, iPad and other screens. They work fantastically and are also washable and wear well and continue to work well. The cloth has a good quality and size. Are individually available in paper pouches for easy carry. Works great dry and with cleaning solution. It does an excellent job cleaning my glasses, no residue or smudges. I also use this cloth to clean my phone and camera lenses. Plus, you can use them over and over since they are washable. Number 3. Elite Tech Gear Microfiber Cloths. Say goodbye to smudges and fingerprints. These cloths make cleaning your glasses, screens, and lenses a breeze. It cleans with minimal pressure, leaving no streaks or scratches behind. Experience the ease and efficiency of these microfiber cloths. The oversized 12 by 12 inch size is perfect for cleaning both large and small surfaces. Clean everything quickly and easily. Made from high-tech microfiber, they're soft, thin, yet incredibly durable. They're built to last and provide long-lasting cleaning power. Each cloth comes individually packaged, making them perfect for travel. Keep one in your pocket, bag, or case for on-the-go cleaning. These cloths are environmentally friendly, reusable, and easy to wash. They're a sustainable choice for all your cleaning needs. Join the Elite Tech Gear family and experience unmatched customer service. We're confident you'll love them. What we like? These oversized cloths are convenient and easy to use. If you appreciate convenience and individual packaging for on-the-go cleaning, this is for you. The large size makes cleaning bigger surfaces a breeze. What people say. These are great eyeglass cleaners. I even tried them on my inside windows in my car and they work rather well. I would recommend them not only because they work but because of the large cleaning size. I recently purchased the Elite Tech Gear Microfiber Cloth 4-pack, and I'm thoroughly impressed. These 12x12 oversized cleaning cloths are perfect for a variety of uses, from cleaning my glasses and screens to tackling spills and dust around the house. The quality of the microfiber is fantastic, super soft and highly absorbent. They make quick work of smudges and fingerprints, leaving surfaces streak-free. I also love that they're washable, so I can keep reusing them without any loss of effectiveness. They hold up beautifully in the wash, maintaining their softness and cleaning power. What a difference! For extra large cloths, cleans real well and even usable on my computer monitors and cell phone. I don't think I will even go back to lens cleaning wipes. Number 2. Eco-fused microfiber cloths. It's a 5-pack of double-sided cleaning cloths, each measuring 6.6 by 6.2 inches. One side is microfiber, the other is suede. Both are perfect for grabbing grease and dirt. These soft cloths are ideal for cleaning your electronic screens, glasses, camera lenses, and other delicate surfaces. They're gentle yet effective. They're the perfect size for cleaning everything from your phone screen to your large TV. Quickly remove fingerprints, dust, and smudges with ease. Clean your devices without worrying about scratches. These cloths are designed to be gentle and effective on delicate surfaces. These cloths are washable and reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. Just avoid ironing or bleaching them. What we like. This pack offers double-sided cloths for versatile cleaning. If you need a gentle cloth for electronics and other delicate surfaces, this is ideal. It's reusable and helps reduce waste. What people say. I carry these around in my laptop bag. My laptop has a touch screen, so it's always smeared with fingerprints. This easily wipes them away with no liquid or other kind of cleaner. Doesn't scratch and has 2 different sides for different tasks. We purchased a Samsung Frame TV and it got some hand prints of the screen during install. I used the recommended microfiber cloth and cleaner recommended and it made it worse. I followed some YouTube instructions and looked for the best type of cloth to use and picked this one, total winner. No cleaner needed, the cloth did it all. I'm thoroughly impressed with these microfiber cleaning cloths. Not only are they incredibly soft to touch, but they also deliver a superb cleaning experience. They effortlessly remove dust and grime from surfaces without leaving any scratches or streaks, which is particularly beneficial for my glasses and delicate electronics. Number 1. MagicFiber Cleaning Cloth. Experience the superior cleaning power of MagicFiber. Its soft microfiber material effortlessly removes smudges and dirt without scratching delicate surfaces. Made from high-quality microfiber, it's perfect for TVs, screens, and more. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a sparkling clean. Each cloth comes in its own protective poly bag, ensuring it's always clean and ready for use. It's the perfect gift for anyone. Gently clean your LCD screens, smartphones, camera lenses, and more with confidence. It's safe and effective on all your precious devices. With its extra large size, cleaning larger surfaces is a breeze. It's the ideal solution for TVs, tablets, and other large screens. Give the gift of sparkling clean screens this holiday season. It's a thoughtful and practical present for everyone on your list. What we like. These are extra large cloths made of premium material. If you need to clean large surfaces like TVs or windows, this is perfect. They come in protective packaging, ensuring they're always ready to use. What people say. The large size allowed me to properly grip the towel and put a firm but measured pressure on the screen. Enough to wipe it clear without damaging it. And the larger surface area made short work of the 77-inch screen. They were perfect for cleaning my gold TV screen, which had not been cleaned in several years. Tons of dust on it but no fingerprints. Was amazing how the dust just disappeared with this cloth cleaning. Did not scratch my screen in any way. I have purchased 3 sets over the last 5 years, and I love them so much, I just bought another set to keep in my travel bag. I really love that they are very big compared to others, and they just work amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.